Are you ready to start editing in CapCut Mobile? The first step is learning how to import your photos and videos into the project. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process so you can quickly organize your media and begin creating amazing edits. Let's get started. Step number 1. Launch the CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. This will open your device media library where you can access all your photos and videos. Next is to browse through your albums or camera roll and tap the photos and videos you want to use. A check mark will appear on each selected file, making it easy to see what's included in your project. You can select one file or multiple files at once, depending on the type of video you want to create. After selecting your media, tap the Add button to import everything into the timeline. Your files will appear in the order you selected them. To rearrange the sequence, simply tap and hold the clip, then drag it to your preferred position. Organizing your clips before editing makes the entire process smoother and more efficient. Now, play the timeline to make sure all your photos and videos have been imported correctly. If you need more media, tap the Add icon to insert additional files without starting a new project. And that's how you import photos and videos in CapCut Mobile. With your media ready and organized, you're all set to add effects, transition, text, and music to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And may the Lord God bless you.